Hi everyone, my name is Kristina. I'm 21 years old and I'm currently in my third year of the graduate apprenticeship program in software engineering at the University of Glasgow. The degree I'm currently doing has a quite unique format and structure in that in addition to doing my normal university courses and my normal university lectures, I also get to work full-time at a software company. I work for Very Connect, which is a startup company based in the west end of Glasgow. Very Connect creates custom systems that have a functionality that's sort of similar to Facebook, but it's specifically for companies and for organizations to be able to stay in touch with their members. We actually have customers all over the world, from here in Scotland, in Europe, in Australia, and in Fiji, and so many other countries. Working as a software engineer means that the majority of my time at work is spent writing and testing code. So the way it usually works is I'll write a piece of code, then I will ask another engineer on the team to review it, and they will give me feedback and corrections to make. And once the code is ready, then it can actually be delivered to the customer, and the customer can use the code on their devices, which is very cool. One of the most recent contributions I made at work, one of the most recent projects I worked on was creating the ability for users to add guest details on their event bookings. So when users book tickets for events, they can now add their guests with them, and they can bring their guests to the very big and important events that our clients are hosting. When I'm not coding, I'm often in meetings with the business side of the team, where we get to discuss what our clients want and how we can best achieve that through our application. Something that many people don't expect from a software engineer is how often you might get to work with actual customers and real paying customers for what you're creating. So I've had quite a few meetings where me and the customer were discussing what our product can do for them and what they actually want to achieve, which was a very unique experience that I got to have as part of my job. Otherwise, I'm often in group calls with the rest of the engineering team, where we get to discuss how we can make our code better or faster, or someone will volunteer to deliver a talk to the rest of the engineering team on a new technology or a new tool we are going to start using to make sure that everyone is comfortable and is on board to start using that technology. Working as part of a team is a very big part of being a software engineer, which is awesome because you get to learn and be inspired by so many amazing software engineers every single day. Another great benefit is that while many companies like Very Connect will have an office where all the team gets together and they get to work and collaborate together, all you really need to do to be a software engineer, all you really need to have is a good internet connection and a laptop. That means that creates amazing opportunities to travel while you work, or you can work for a company from a different country. So actually at Very Connect, we have some amazing team members working from Brazil, working from Italy, and working from Australia as well. Also, a lot of people think that in order to be an amazing software engineer, you also need to be very good at maths. And I've actually found that this is not the case at all. So one of our very good senior engineers at Very Connect actually did fine arts as their first degree, and that really comes to show that maths is not, the most important thing about coding. I find that the most important thing is creativity, and it all comes down to what you want to create. And it's amazing if you think about it, how you can have an idea for an app, maybe you have an idea for an awesome game, and then you can write a few lines of code, and that can become reality. You can bring it to life, and then you can have other people using your app or your game, which is pretty cool. And an advice I would give my younger self when I was first starting looking into software engineering and starting my job would be that even if sometimes it can get tough and it can get challenging, to never give up. Everyone can create amazing things with code, so you just have to keep going at it, and you'll get better and improving every single day. And also, it's very good to start early and start exploring what different types of coding, different coding languages, different programming techniques even, you can use as a software engineer. There's so many resources and so many websites online at the moment where you can just start writing some code and get to understand what coding is all about. And I've been more than happy to share all the different resources I've used and I've come across over the years of being in software engineering as a student, as a professional now. So thank you very much. And I really hope you consider a path in coding and software engineering, because I'm sure you can create some amazing things. Thank you.